1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points on the relay. Applied flux to the pins, heat up the pin, press the solder into it. If my solder is good, these should beep when I touch them, and they do. Time to reinstall this control board back into the furnace, see if that took care of the problem. Control board on a home furnace wasn't working. I was like, yeah, I'll just take a quick peek at it. Found a relay on it, corrosion right in that corner, ate that guy right off. Board wasn't bad. This is like a $350 board. Had a spare board laying around, desoldered one of the relays, same part number off of it, soldered it on. Now we get to plug it in, see if it works. Sometimes some common sense and know-how and 5 minutes can save you hundreds of dollars. There we go, she's alive again. Induction fan or draft fan or whatever it's called is a little weak. Makes this like hum on startup. Needs a new one of these.